In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see who can see your files on Google Drive. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look to confirm who has access to a specific file, so you can keep your content private or confidently share it with the right people. First, open your web browser and head to Google Drive. You'll land on the Drive homepage, which shows your files and folders. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so you can see your content. It's helpful to switch to a view you prefer, either grid or list, so it's easy to spot the item you want to check. Next, click once on the file you're curious about. Selecting it is important because the sharing controls relate to whatever you've highlighted. This works for common file types like docs, sheets, slides, PDFs, images, and more. If you accidentally open the file, that's fine too. You can still access the same sharing controls from there. Now look toward the top of the page for the share button. It looks like a small person icon, often with a plus sign. Click that person icon. This opens the sharing window for the file you selected. This window is where all the access details live, and it's the most reliable place to confirm who can currently see your content. In the sharing window, focus on two key areas. The first is people with access. Here you'll see the individuals and groups who have been added directly. Each entry will usually show a role such as viewer, commenter, or editor, which tells you how much they can do with the file. Viewer can look but not change. Commenter can add feedback without editing the content, and editor can make full changes. You may also see group names like a team or department, which means multiple people may have access through that group. The second area is general access. This is where you'll learn whether the file is restricted, limited to your organization, or set to anyone with the link. If it says anyone with the link, that means anyone who gets the link can open the file, even if they weren't added individually. If it says restricted, only the people listed above can view it. Take a moment to carefully review these sections so you understand exactly who can see the file and what they can do. That's all you need to verify access on Google Drive. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to quickly check who can see your files.